up on the chair. Just your low back, your bottom forward, and then lean your upper back backwards. Okay? We're gonna go right here. I'm gonna set you up for adjustment here. Relax right in here. Very good. Good movement. Feel that movement in there, David?
Oh yeah.
Good. He's in the zone. I'm gonna set him up right here. Let's have you actually scoot just a little bit forward right there. A little bit more, a little bit more. Your bottom, there you go. And then lean, relax right in here for me. Okay. Relax right here. Very good.
Oh man, that feels
Excellent
so
movement. Okay. Right in here, okay. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Relax right in here. Very good. Relax here. Very good. Straighten out the bottom leg. Okay. Set your head right there for me. Okay. Relax right here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There we go. There we go. You have another family member here at the chiropractor today, huh?
Oh yeah, my wife.
Your wife. She's seeing Dr. Jill.
Oh yes.
Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. I'm going to try to get a little bit more movement on this side here. Relax right here. There we go. Relax there. One more. All right, very good.